Hi, I'm Sunny Mariam Pigamad from BSIT for BBPO. So, let's talk about what is maintenance of computer. So, means keeping your computer and laptops in good condition through regular cleanings, hard drive updates, and virus prevention. Doing so lengthens the lifespan of your device, and it can also help you browse the web more safely. So let's move to what is the importance of maintenance of computer. First is the fastest computer. Over time, files that are stored on your computer can become disorganized and fragmented. This results in your computer taking longer to load and programs and files access become delayed. Second is exposed issue. Whether your computer is new or old, problems can pop up at any time. Computers can be unpredictable, and we all know that small issue can become huge problem before we know it. So the last one is avoid viruses. When your computer is infected, several symptoms may be felt from annoying slowdowns and pop-up message or contact emailing you about a strange email you apparently sent them. So in this video, I will show you step by step on how I did in maintaining my laptop. First, press Windows X. Then this will show in your screen. Then press Run. Then in this, you will just type WinVer. Then click OK. Then this will show in your screen that what Windows you are using. So I'm using Windows 11. So just click OK. Next step, I go to the search bar and I search about edit power plan. Then I go to the power option. Then as you can see in my screen, I don't have a high performance. So I go to the other option. I just go to the settings and search the power and battery, and as you can see the power mode, I just click the best performance. So just click that best performance and there you go. In this next step, I just go to the task manager to see what app are running. As you can see in the Google Chrome, there. So in this last step, I just click again the Windows X, then press Run, then just type temp. Then click OK. Then this will show in your screen. Then just Control A and then delete them, so that your PC can run smoothly. Then just click continue. Then it will now delete. These are some tips for basic computer maintenance. So first is updates. Make sure your computer operating system and software is up to date. Most computer operating systems have security measures built in, so updates will often include improvements to your computer security, as well as bug fix for your operating system. Staying up to date, make sure that your computer and data are all protected from both cybersecurity threats and systems issues. Second is disk space. Keep an eye on your disk space. If your computer hard disk become full, software will stop working. You can free up space by removing unwanted programs and deleting files you no longer need. If you're using Windows 7, make sure to clean out your temporary file regularly. You can do this by using this cleanups tool. Make sure the box labeled temporary file is checked. So third is backup. Have a good backup as well as multiple backups. Purchase a couple external hard drives for backing up your computer. On a Mac, the Time Machine program will automatically back up your computer so long as the backup drive is plugged in. Fourth is ventilation. Make sure where you place your computer, laptop or desktop has a proper ventilation. Cooling is extremely important for internal components, and clean computer will increase the life expectancy. There is a chance that your computer is very dusty. Cleaning the opening and keyboards will compress air should free up some of the dust and allow for better cooling. If you are using a desktop, you can remove the side of the computer and use the compressed air to blow out the remaining dust. The computer must be unplugged prior to removing the side, and it's advised to take it outside to blow out the dust. So fifth is the antivirus. It is very important to have a good antivirus that scans regularly. New viruses are popping up all the time, so scanning regularly keep your computer running properly and its data safe. 6 is browsing. Make sure the website you are going to is reliable, and be careful when putting in URL into your browser, especially when shopping online. Missing one character could send you someplace that could compromise your data, or to a site with the content that is not safe for work. Always purchase item at a well-known, reputable website. Do not buy item from a company you have never heard of. Identity theft is a really high these days, and buying something at the place you never heard of could potentially lead to identity theft. Also, when you see a deal on the internet that is too good to be true, it generally is. So last is the strong passwords. We cannot stress the importance of having a secure password. Use strong passwords like 10 to plus character plus complexity, and don't reuse them in multiple places. Be sure to change your password regularly and keep them in a safe place. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. So again, I'm Sanimar EMP Gamad from BSIT 4B BPO.